Dear friends, this is our application Bhrigu Nadi Astro, and we have a previous video in Hindi language. Most of our users demanded that we have to have one video in English language for how to use this application. So I am recording this video for our user in English language. You just select a chart, or you can enter a chart by clicking on here, new chart. Fill any name, date of birth, time of birth in 24-hour format, and place. For filling place, just type 2 or 3 characters of place, like I am typing, and can enter key. You just see one dialog box will appear, and you can double click that place, and it will automatically add all the details like longitude, latitude, GMT differences, war time, data, day saving times. Okay, and then there is the option for chart style. You can choose north, south, east, or Sri Lankan chart style. I'm going to choose South Indian style. Uh, we have given 14 type of nouns, but the most suitable announce for astrology, Nadi astrology, Nancy Lahari announce. So choose Nancy Lahari. Language in English, and you can choose house curse details like. But the most common and most useful is Sripati Profirius Paddhati. This is the date of transit. Today, it will automatically fill today's date. You can choose any date for transit period. Here is other details. You can choose and enter basic info, contact details, religion, social info, educational and occupation, lifestyle, and other options for this particular chart. I'm going to save this chart, and because we have one test chart, so I am giving this name is test 1, and click on save. It will save the chart. Nadi setting, this is for RG Rao's method, like count in previous sign. If retrograde is planet is retrograde, you can count it one sign before. Take degree wise ages. So if the planet is in middle of the degree, uh, then it will choose the half of the period of the particular planet, like the 12-year period for Jupiter, 30-year for Saturn, and 18 years for Rahu and Ketu. This is for house grouping. You can choose any grouping if you want. If a female chart, you can choose a Venus for female chart in the place of Jupiter. And there is a other options, like you can choose here. You can give any details which will print on every page in the bottom side of every pages, and this name, place, and address will by default appear, and you can't change it. Here is the position of Rahu and Ketu, true or mean. You can choose a marriage system. You can choose North India, because we have not given marriage system in this software, but we have given the options. And this is for Vimchotri Dasa. You can choose any planet. By default is Moon. Here is the basic option, black and white printers. You can choose print directly, no option required. Then you can choose these options. Okay, the basic birth detail format is almost complete. You can choose import, restore, backup, select any of this. Like if you have the previous data, you can import that data here, or other data you have, you are using our other softwares, then you can import all the data from other softwares also. Now I'm going to start it. Click on proceed. The first screen will show you all the basic details, like this is the direction chart. You can see north, east, west, south, and the appropriate name of also Karm, Earth, Dharm, and Moksha. This is the birth chart. This is the Jeev chart, means the chart where Jupiter is in Lagna. Karm chart where Saturn is in Lagna. Karmfal where Rahu is in Lagna, and Karmfal you can choose Ketu also for Karmfal. Here is the option Karmfal Ketu. Okay. There is another charts you can choose like Sodersberg charts. You can choose from here. Okay, all the options is there. Okay, on the first screen you can see the planetary positions like degree, sign law, nakshatra. You can just move it here and you can choose. You can see Namams, Lord, Karak, other factors like whether its planet is exalted, debilitated, or other things. This is the Nadi position. If you click on N, this is Nadi positions, which planet is in which Nadi, and which the Bhag, like Purvard or Uttarard. You can see Namams also. This is the C.S. Patel method of Nadi astrology. This is 64th Namams and other factors will come here. Mandi and Bhrigu Bindu is also there. This is for Nadi grouping. Planet uh, all the planet related to the sun 159 position, 2610 position, 1246 position. You can see all these things. This is the another option. This is you can see all the planet in respective positions, house number, dispositor, aspects on all the thing, degree, nakshatra, sign lord, sign exchange if any, star exchange if any, you can see. And they're aspected by friendly planets, enemy planets, neutral planets, all the things you can see here. This is the Nadi Chakra. Nadi Chakra means the fixed positions of Nadi years. Like there is a fixed position for Jupiter, which is 12 years, uh, for Saturn 30 years, for Rahu 18 years, and for Ketu 18 years. You can see all the details here. You can choose the planets and you can choose the second phase. The first means the total, the one crossing the whole sign means 12 sign. Jupiter will take 12 years. Then you can see on the second basis Jupiter in which sign and in the yearly cycle in which sign. You can see it. Rahu also. You can choose any planets. Actual transit. Actual transit means what the actual transit position of planets like Jupiter, Saturn, every planets we have given. Rahu and Ketu. Dasa system. We have given Vimshotri Dasa. Bhrigu Astro. You can choose here Vimshotri Dasa on the basis of you can click if you click Mars then you will go one level deep like we have given for the Sushma Dasa levels. Okay, 1 minute. Dasa system. Okay. Second is Bhrigu Astotri Dasa. This is unique Dasa system. There is also a second layer of this Dasa you can choose. This is Dasa for Nakshatra and sign system. Bhrigu Naisargik Dasa, Astotri and Yogini Dasa system. Bandhan Yoga, Grah cycle Nadi. You can see here all the Nadi position of all the planets and the particular time period. All the time particular planets in which sign in this particular period. This is composite chart of Nadi transit chart where all the positions of planets is given. This is Lal Kitab Varshvala and this is the details and this is the 35-year cycle because most of astrologers are using Lal Kitab Varshvala also in the respect of Nadi astrology. We have given Vedic Varshvala also. You can choose Vedic annual chart and all the details of that chart like Muntha and other positions you can see. Yearly influence. This is a very unique point. You can see all the planets here. If you click which in this year, particular year, which the planet and sign is effective, and you can see the effective points in summary. Year 20 duration is Chakra Lord is Mercury, effective house Lagni is 8, effective house Chakra Lord is 4th Cancer. You can see all the details. House movements means it will for North Indian chart you can choose the position of planets, and it will move one position respective to the particular chosen sign. Second is RG Rao method. We have given here all the position count in previous sign. If retrograde, you can see Jupiter is 112, is 13 to 24, 25 to 26. This particular year, Jupiter move one sign in the next year. Okay, next particular cycle, and this is the yearly cycle of all the planets. Like year completed 32 and 34, 35. You can see this is the parallel of all the planets: Jupiter, Saturn. You can see here. If you click, all the planet will move respectively. Then we have Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati. Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati is a very unique method where each planet have different cycles. You can see the in here. You can see Nadi settings. Okay, Bhrigu cycle years. This is the cycle for all the planets. Sun is 28 years, like in RG Rao system. RG Rao is only giving 4 planets, but in Bhrigu Paddhati, you can see we have given all the planets respective ages, like 28-year cycle for Sun, 19-year cycle for Moon, and we have given two related options. You can see you can change it. You can choose which option you want, and according to that, all the planets move in the particular cycle. This is the this is the time period chart at 1808 to 1808. Then you can choose 1808 to 1923. This is a cycle in which particular period which planet is where in the Bhrigu Paddhati. You can see all the here also, like we have given in the first chart. Vimshatri Dasha, Lal Kitab Varshfal and Vedic Varshfal. We have given all the things in here. Second is we have given a transit screen. You can choose transit for any Sodersberg chart. Like if you choose Saptams, then it will choose Saptams, Nawams, and you can move the chart also. Like if you want to move the chart in 1 minute, 5 days and go, then it will move 5 days according to that. This is one of visual transit, but it will apply on any Sodersberg chart. Here we can see all the details: transit of planet Saturn, Rahu, and this is 21 is the nakshatra positions. Transit in star, which planet is transit where. This is very unique positions, unique details. You can see which planet in which sign, and when it will exit that sign or enter that sign, and choose all things. You can choose see the Tara and all the details also here. Murti, Ved, opposite with, nakshatra with, everything is given. Planet movements. This is for that direction, direct and retrograde positions of the planet in the particular year. Okay, and now we have one Bhrigu Prashna. You just choose this screen and blindly click anywhere. Like I have clicked, then the number is 16. We have given 108, 108 answer and questions. On the basis of the chosen position, chosen number, it will give a result. This is the very good Prashna Paddhati. Now I'm just going to give you the glimpse of what the pages we have given for printing. You can see astrological particulars, planetary position basic, Nadi chart basic, Nadi chart with relations. You can just see it. Then Nadiamshas and other position of the planets. You can see all the details here. Nadi position CS Patel. You can see here the CS Patel method of here. This is a Nadi Planets Movement. You can choose here. Click here to move other positions. This is the one 4 Nadi positions given here on one page. And this is the 12 Nadi position given in one page. This is the for Bhrigu Nadi system given. This is the Dasa also. Bhrigu Nesar ki Diksa. This is the Vedic Varshful page, the main page for Vedic Varshful. You can click here to increase or decrease the years. Lal Kitab Varshful. Then second is transit, astrological particulars, transit main page, main transit page. Transit a planet in sign and nakshatra also. In nakshatra, you can see. This is a very broader view of planet transiting nakshatras. You can see the Latta and Veda and all the things on is given there. Dasa system you have given Vimshotri, Astro 3, two methods, traditional method and alternate method. Yogini Dasa system. We have given alternate method of Yogini Dasa also. You can see the alternate method of Astro 3 Dasa. Bhrigu Astro 3 Dasa. There are two pages for Bhrigu Astro 3 Dasa. Then we have come to the predictions part. This is the general prediction. On the basis of Lagna and Namam, we have given a general predictions for the user for the particular chart. Then Graphel, you can choose any planet and you can see the details predictions of planet in the Bhrigu system. Then Graphel in detail, you can see all the positions and planets of Bhrigu system, planet predictions of Bhrigu system. You can see with the unique remedies of each planet. Then Graphel with Nadi yogas. We have given a lot of yogas from all the Nadi texts. You can see yogas related to Sun and the Nadi. You can see here. All the things is given here. Bhrigu Graphel. This is the one paragraph predictions of each planet in each house. for the various lagnas, conjoined planet, Jan Nakshatra and Pada predictions. This is very comprehensive predictions on the basis of your Jan Nakshatra and your Pada or Charan. You can see 6 phases of prediction of a particular birth nakshatra. Conjoined planets predictions. Detailed analysis of the planets conjoined in the chart. Then yearly predictions on the basis of Jupiter and Saturn and Rahu and Ketu. Then monthly predictions on the basis of Sun movement. Then Nadi transit predictions. The predictions is apply, it will come here Nadi transit predictions for the particular time period. Like this, we have given the Bhrigu transit predictions also. Then Jivan Rath, we have given 5 types of Jivan Bhagya Karak, Mulang, Bhagyank Ratna. Then we have given Bhrigu Yoga. We have given almost 500 yogas of Bhrigu Paddhati, like Danya, Daitya, and other yogas. You can see there are almost more than 500 yogas given for from the Bhrigu Paddhati yoga. And here we have a comprehensive analysis of Nadi yogas and other positions. You can see here from Sukra Nadi, Agastya Nadi, and every Nadi text we have given these yogas. Okay, so this is what we have in our this Bhrigu Nadi software. Thank you.